Alright, well, bad news on the new sensor. We got this message. I don't know if you can see it. Sensor failed. So this happens sometimes. I think a lot of people get frustrated with these sensors for that reason. And it might be because it wasn't straight. The tube was not in there. They do free replacements, but it doesn't help when she cries about it and makes a big problem for us. So we went through that ordeal to install the new one. We have to remove it and do another new one now. And she's not a fan. Sorry, honey. We think we should do it in the same arm. Izzy, we need to do this, baby. Okay. Come here. How much do I give you a hug? Okay. Just calm down. It's okay. We're going to be really gentle. The good news is it didn't get too attached. The sooner we take it out, the better, okay, hon? And you don't have an overpatch yet, which is that's most of the pain, I think. Okay? So, we need to get a new sensor, which I will do. We did nothing wrong in the install. Just, sometimes the sensors don't work.
Do you see it?
Yep, I got one. So, yeah, they come in a big pack of 3 or something. They're not cheap with insurance even. I think it's $30 or something each. Need to get a knife now. Excuse me. And anything you want to say while I'm doing this, Katie?
No. It's okay, sweet pea. It's okay.
Okay. I'll get the next one ready. We'll aim to replace that other one, so let's keep all the stuff we need for it.
Yeah.
Which is, just put this in there. Actually, we'll put the sensor in here when we get it off. So
yeah.
Get that ready. The next one here.
You could have got scissors.
Could have got scissors, yes. Okay, so here's the next new one. This time I think if the tube is not aligned, I think you just move it a little bit to get it aligned, which doesn't affect you at all. Okay, so let's do the baby oil. You can switch me spots.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. You're right, hon. I'll be gentle. Come on. Because if we don't do this, we have to do your finger pricks, and it's a lot harder for everybody, okay?
So Daddy will be gentle. Sit up so Daddy can see your arm. You can hold on to Mommy's hand.
Come on.
You want to hold on?
Now we're just getting it oiled up. That's all we're doing right now. Okay. Okay. Can you sit forward, please?
Oh, goodness.
We don't want to get oil everywhere. Maybe actually sit over here, sorry. The angle's hard to get. Okay, oops. That's what we didn't want to happen. Okay.
So if you can get a little bit of the lip of the sticky part up and get some oil in there, that'll help with there.
Okay.
If Daddy can get a little bit up, do you want Mommy to do it? No?
The sensor failed again. We have to do this, Izzy. Okay, I'm sorry.
Daddy just gonna get a little bit off, and then we'll put some more baby oil
I think we
in
need the
it.
adhesive remover.
Okay, right here.
Okay. I think we're gonna do this on the outside. Not a good seal too. There we go. Okay, you're doing a good job. Good job, Izzy.
It's okay, Izzy.
Here, scooch forward a little bit. There we go. That's perfect. Sorry, honey.
It's okay.
I need a tissue.
You need a tissue? Okay, I'll get one.
Ow.
That was easy.
Oops.
That was a lot
I
easier than
knocked over
expected.
the oil, Daddy.
Okay. That was actually a lot easier than expected.
Don't take that off yet.
Why not?
Because I want to take a tissue
Okay,
first.
sorry, honey. Sorry about that. Okay, this part came off easy.
Okay, good.
It's the next part. Okay, ready?
It shouldn't be too hard because it wasn't on there for very long. Might be hard for Daddy to grab it.
There we go.
That
Okay.
wasn't too bad.
That was actually not too bad. Good job being brave.
So here's, do you have a, here, do this over her skin for a little bit. Just a little bit. You gotta tip it, yeah.
Okay.
And just rub it nicely, yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay,
So-
let's let that relax for a second. We would probably need to clean it again. Once
Yeah.
it's done. Okay, let's look at it. Let's see if this is a good spot again. Okay, I think it's a good spot again. It's better on the other side, honey.
Yeah.
Okay, calm down. You're doing good.
We'll let it sit for a little bit.
Sometimes this is frustrating, but we want to do this pretty soon, okay? Where's the, let's see, the new,
It's right here.
not the new one. Hey, Teddy, go upstairs, buddy.
I want Izzy to put him in the turtle.
Okay, she will when she's done. She's not done yet. Go upstairs, please. Go
I
inside.
don't want me.
We will. Do you want
Okay,
to
we
stop?
need a prep pad. No.
I want to watch me.
You want to watch you? Okay, 1 second, sweetie.
I thought it was out here.
Okay.
It's not?
Didn't see it. No problem. I got a new prep pad coming.
Okay.
Mom.
Oh, wait. Is this the sensor? Yeah.
Okay, so that sensor, yeah, needs to be
We need to put it. Yes, baby.
There
put
used
back with
to
the other
be-
one.
There used to be a photo of me. There used to be a video
This is the old
of
one.
me saying Dada.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, so they'll give us a replacement. We'll just put it in here
You gotta
temporarily.
turn it around. I didn't put it in there right. Yeah.
This is just temporary to hold it.
Yeah.
Actually, we'll just leave it here. Not put together. Okay. So we want to clean it off now because we're going to do the same area.
No.
I think it's okay, actually. It doesn't look that bad, honey.
Do you want to dry it a little bit? Oh, okay. It's okay, sweet pea.
You're doing really good.
Maria.
Should we do the other arm again? I think we're supposed to switch it up.
We need to switch arms.
And this didn't do so bad.
Why don't we do it a little bit? So let's see. Can I see your arm a little
1
bit?
second. Wipe this off real quick.
We got to clean off all the baby oil.
I'll do one more of these, but show Mom your
And
arm.
let me see your arm. So we did it back here. We can do it a little bit down right here. Why
Okay.
don't we do it right across from that little
Okay.
bruise there?
We'll do one more alcohol pad.
Maybe, well, yeah, maybe like right here.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, you're doing great, sweetie.
Oh.
Sorry, baby.
This is
Yeah,
all
get the
clean.
whole area. Yeah.
It's burr. It's cold. Ooh, that's a strong alcohol smell. Okay. All right. Let's do this again. Now that we took the other one off because it said failed sensor, we have to start a new sensor. So let's do the whole process again. This time we'll double check the prong that comes out of it, whatever that's called. Okay. We do need this
Now what's
green
the
thing.
other one? What's the other part?
We have the green thing. That's all we need out of here because we have the instructions still.
I know we need a green thing.
And this has a new number and everything.
What does it say?
1786. Okay, so that's all dry. Is it? Looks dry.
6, 7, 8.
Untampered with. Okay, this one's better. So you see how it's not disconnected? It's saying sensor failed again. So
yeah, that does look a lot better.
So this one's better. So I think that's the other one that failed had the same issue where it splits out somehow on some of them. So I think it's best just not to use those or try and get them together. It's unclear which.
We can
Okay.
talk to the.
So let's do
educator.
this. Okay, ready, Izzy? It's all clean and ready to go. Okay, sit forward, please. I want to get the back. Izzy, you're okay. You're going to do great, honey.
So let's see. Push it.
Okay,
There we go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Okay, that one was even better than the last one. You want a tissue, honey? Okay, so looking again. Going around this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was a good seal on that one. Okay. Now we push in 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did really good. Okay, then we put this on and then we'll sync it, right? Do this
Yep.
first? Okay. So,
What's the number?
1, The number was 1786.
178.
Okay, let's put this on and then we can relax again for, hopefully it works this time. Okay, ready, Mom?
Uh-huh.
Okay, skip forward so I don't, and you can't move, okay? Here, scooch forward a little bit, just like that. That's perfect. Okay, don't move. There we go, I got it. Okay, so we got it around there. Take the green thing off, ready?
You mean the plastic?
Plastic.
Ooh, very nice.
That was a good seal, okay. Not perfect, but it's good enough, I'd say.
Yeah.
Because again, we put adhesive over this, going over how many times? 10?
I think so.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. Okay, let's start the new sensor. Oh, we already did it. Mom did it for us. Okay. So 1786 is what we did. We're going to wait for this warm up. Hopefully it doesn't fail this time. That was kind of distracting, but Izzy, hey, that wasn't so bad actually, was it? Replacing it once it fails. That was a lot better than I expected.
That wasn't so bad, right, Izzy? Yeah.
And then again, once this sensor finishes, we're going to put this cover on, which just gives a little more barrier. And again, if we need to get her wet for bath or for pool, we will wash it, or we'll wrap it again. Another thing. What do you think, Izzy? Pretty stressful to do it again, but you did a great job. I'm proud of you, honey. Love you. Okay. Bye, Mom.